Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Farewell. Exynos gets treatment. The new upcoming budget mobile phone of 2026, the Samsung Galaxy A27, will receive a Qualcomm chipset and redesigned upgrades. The smartphone was shown in large renders. Samsung is preparing another mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy A27. New render images and phone specifications have surfaced online. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. South Korean giant company Samsung is preparing another mid-range smartphone, 2026, the Galaxy A27. High-quality new images and smartphone characteristics have surfaced online. The new budget model from Samsung will not surprise you, with either its specifications or design. The renders were published by renowned tech leaker Steve Hemmerstoffer, better known as OnLeaks. Interestingly, this is his second batch of the Samsung Galaxy A27 renders, this time showing the device in different colors and providing more details about its specifications. According to recent reports, the new upcoming Samsung Galaxy A27 will be available in 3 colors: light pink, blue, and black shades. The smartphone will retain the brand's signature minimalist design, with flatter edges, rounded corners, a neat cutout for the front selfie camera in the center of the screen panel, and a vertical triple camera array on the back panel. The new Galaxy A27 dimensions will be 162.4 by 78.2 by 7.8 mm and weigh approximately 200 grams. The new budget phone will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, which will be the core of the device, instead of the current Exynos chipset. The smartphone will feature up to 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal flash memory. The new Galaxy A27 display will measure 6.7 inches diagonally and feature a full HD resolution. Out of the box, the device will run the Android 16 operating system, with One UI 8.5 user shell. The battery capacity will be 5000 mAh, and the charging rate will be 25 watts. The main camera will feature 3 sensor lenses: 50 megapixels, 5 megapixels, and 2 megapixels. The front selfie camera will have a resolution of 12 megapixels. The new upcoming Samsung Galaxy A27 will launch in the next few weeks. Steve Hemmerstoffer has a long track record of creating accurate renders of various smartphones before their announcements. These leaks include the Samsung Galaxy S21, Huawei Mate 40, Pixel 5, Sony Xperia XZ4, Google Pixel 4 XL, and many more. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.